Hey y'all, Ramblin' Wonder. Anybody that's watched my videos, I'm sure have heard my birds in the background. Well, here's my birds. That's Loki. That's Rio. That's Sky and Storm. And that's Pastel. And unfortunately, little Pastel here doesn't have a friend. The others have already chose their mates. So they're actually being mean to her, and we're going to run to the pet store today and go get her a friend. So she, as you can see, her cere is bright purple, and she's got the purple marks on her face. She's ready to breed. We're not going to breed her, but the others are being mean to her since she is in that stage of her life. We'll get back with you as soon as we get to Petco. All right, y'all have a blessed day. We're here, Nightmare Parking. I'm well inside my line, but again, welcome to Tupelo, and we're here at Petco. So let's go see what we can find for birdies. What do you say?
Let's hope so.
We're supposed to walk up to them together, but Leanne had to run ahead. There they are. I also like either the gray and white or the yellow and green.
That's the ones I picked too. I said, or him right here. Yep.
And not on sale. Really like the gray one, but the yellow one's cool too.
The gray one's pretty laid back, so you always kind of.
He's tiny though. Doesn't look like it really.
I'm not sure he's sick, because look at he's closing his eyes and shit, but does that mean he's tired or he looks old? That's what I'm saying.
I don't know, I kind of like the yellow one, I think. Oh, look at his poor tail.
Oh. Remember Sky was like that too?
The aqua one's kind of cool though. Even the royal blue here is
That's
actually
what I
kind
said,
of
I
cool.
like the royal blue too. This one blue one right here is being mean to the green one, you see it?
Look at a little itty bitty tiny one up on top.
No, it looks too much like Storm. I already have one of those. I'm worried about getting that gray one.
Well, I think it's one of these two. The royal blue or the yellow, honestly.
Yeah, I know, I'm kind of debating now. Kind of watching.
Well, the gray one's asleep now.
Okay, the yellow one is a little bit older. He's losing his bars. Now the blue one, the royal blue, has all bars. Which means he's younger.
Well, we'll let y'all know what we decide here in a little bit.
Until he ran way over here. He's like, I'm not getting caught.
Oh, he knows.
Yeah, they all know. Look at him. They all said,
We've seen this happen before.
Hi, babies. Oh, look at you coming by me, sunshine. Oh, there you are, baby. You are definitely meant to be mine. Yeah, they bite pretty freaking hard. Mine does. Once we have to catch them.
Oops. How many have ever gotten away?
We're not coming your way.
Really?
But they typically come right back.
Yeah, that's kind of
Yeah,
what
it's not their home, so.
We have a big, huge palace cage at home. And we have our parakeets are in there and our cockatiels. But it was only meant for to be the cockatiels. And then the parakeets kind of said, well, we want to go in there too.
Yeah.
So now our two get to the bars all the time. But they come right back in at night.
Yeah, they stay in there at night.
I've got to get you to fill out a.
All right, we'll meet you up front.
Sunshine.
All right. Meet the new addition. That's gonna be banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana.
She's very alert, very attentive.
Yes, she is. We think it's a girl. We don't know. It's hard to tell.
Yeah, at this age, it's
They're
hard.
way too young to try, figure out. You have to pull.
She's supposed to be on the other side where the seat is. Come on, banana. Oh. Ready to go home, banana? You ready to go home? I think you like me already. You already like me, huh? She's got a little green in her. We could call her Kiwi, too. We'll figure it out, huh?
All right, we'll pick this up at the house. All right, guys, we got Banana home. And Sky and Storm are checking him out already.
Stella's hiding.
Say hi, Banana. Hi, Banana.
Sky's already jealous. Sky jealous. Are you jealous, Sky? Bye. See, Sky's here is exactly like Banana. Yeah. So Banana might be a boy. Stormy's a girl. See, I'm a girl, but I'm called Stormy. I'm a girl. Oh, you can't be mad. You need to chill out. You can't be mad. No, sorry, Baba. Be nice to your baby. She kind of looks like you, Sky. She kind of looks like you. Or he looks like you. See, Sky's the only one with a yellow beak, and now Banana has a yellow beak. The other two have like a pale beak. Oh, look at Sky, bud. Look it. I think Stormy likes it. Likes Banana a lot, and Sky's like, no, you need to love me. I'll be nice.
All right, guys. Well, we're going to take a break here. As you can see, not a whole lot's going on. Banana's a little scared right now. So we'll let him/her chill out for a little bit. And we'll be back with y'all shortly.
Gotta get a new birdie. Every time.
And all 6 of our birds together.
I'll be nice, Rio. No biting. No, sorry, Baba. No biting. Be nice. We know better than that. Oh, there goes Loki. You gotta get the middle. The shiny bits. There's Stella Bella. Stella Bella.
She's aware of the camera and doesn't like it.
Is that Stella?
Hell yeah.
They say that. They say that they can sense it.
Well, the screen's on in the front too, isn't it? So they can see themselves.
Well, Skyby, why'd you run away? There, Skyby. Be nice, Rio. Rio. You gotta be nice. You're just babies, remember? You're like 20-pound terriers now.
Not quite that much, but
You're like a big rock and they're just little pebbles. How about that? That juicy one. Hey, that juicy one. Sylvia, you want some? They don't want you to come by them. Got my beer out. So you like, yeah. She's not coming back. Come on. Oh, you are here. I was gonna call you. I was gonna call you over. So you knew mommy was giving milk. Oh, come here, Stalbell. You can come back. Come here, Stalbell. There's room for you over here. That's a nice one. Stalbell, come here. There you go, Bubba. No, real big. Oh my goodness, yes, Stella. Oh my god.
You shouldn't have kept turning it. You should have just held her on.
I didn't want her to bite me.
Wasn't gonna bite.
Stella, come here. Stella. Stella. Stella, come here, my mama. Stella. Stella. Come here, baby. Come here, Stella. Look what mom got. Look it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Brady. Come on. Come on, Stella. Come here, Stella. I'm gonna protect you. Sky baby.